Assalamualaikum everyone. كيف حالك? Um, I will just make a very short video clip of the instruction on how to get across our beloved center. First and foremost, I'm Hayriya, but I'm also known as Natia Raya, and I'm gonna be explaining the details ng address ng center na to and also how to get here way earlier. Ang exact address ng Islamic Learning Center natin is you can also write it down Block 60, Lot 6, St. Joseph Village 6, Phase 3 Clubhouse, Butong Cabuyao, Laguna. And if may problem kayo sa pag-a-adjust ng address, magbibigyan na ako ng palatandaan. Kapag nasa Cabuyao Bayan na kayo, magtanong-tanong kayo somewhere out there na kung saan yung variety. Yung variety is name ng bakery shop. And kapag nasa bakery shop na kayo, sa gilid ng bakery shop, may makikita kayong terminal ng tricycle. Then you can ask the tricycle drivers kung saan kayo pupunta. Sabihin nyo lang sa tricycle driver na sasakyan nyo sabihin nyo St. Joseph Village 6. Sabihin nyo lang St. Joseph 6. Tapos, sabihin nyo Phase 3 sa may clubhouse. Yung color ng clubhouse, dapat ay sky blue Hindi ibang color except sky blue. Tapos, pag nandun na kayo, bumaba na kayo kahit saan, basta sa paligid lang ng clubhouse. Kasi, we will pick you up there. Yung isa sa stop ng center natin ay ipipick up naman kayo pag nasa may clubhouse na kayo banda. As long as nasa loob kayo ng clubhouse or nasa labas. Basta yung sinabi ko clubhouse, nandun lang kayo. Then, ayun, para nandun lang kasi nasa tapat lang naman ng clubhouse namin dito yung center natin. Kaya napakadali lang ng process. And also, in case you prefer getting across under us or messaging us and getting through to us or calling us, you can write down our contact number 0907 58 5846 820. Ulit, 0907 5846 820. And before I end this short video instruction, I'd like to announce as well na I'll be posting the center's agenda which contains the schedules ng dirasa, yung mga kailangang dalhin ng murit, tapos the fees if there is any, tapos those frequently asked questions of our inquiries. Ganon. Yun lang naman po so far. Syukran lillah.